Sì.
So good. Look at this big bite.
Oh, no, you're right here. Basilico. Okay, we're gonna be cooking with zucchini, Karin and Rino here in beautiful Mondello. A little bit later, I'm gonna show you around because this villa is adorable. All right, but first we're gonna make. Ooh, there's a doggy. We're gonna make some bruschetta with tomatoes from guess where? Pachino, the best. We got ricotta salata,
aglio. Non useremo questo.
No, okay.
E basilico.
And lemon which is put on your
my
face.
face.
All right, let's get going.
Let's do it.
Allora si va.
Let's do it.
This is the cutest kitchen, and we have got plenty of tomatoes and zucchini.
Ciao.
Ciao.
We going to make pasta.
Con le zucchine.
All right.
Now, I want to ask you, because right now is the period for the cucuzza, but we're not using cucuzza, we're using the regular
zucchina. Let's say zucchina.
Zucchini.
Can we say in Italian zucchina?
Yes, we can have zucchini.
Ma
Now
la
you were...
cucuzza è quella lunga, no?
Quella lunga,
Sì.
la cucuzza è un po' differente.
Quella mia mamma faceva la pasta con le zucchine.
Ok.
Tu la facci con questo.
Quindi,
Your mom made this.
and my mom and grandma, all the mom and grandma, Sicilian, mom and grandma, everybody make zucchina because it's the oldest, one of the oldest plate, and for poor people. The zucchina you can grow in your backyard, garlic, whatever you get, you cook.
All these ingredients are so abundant here, so it just makes sense. Questo è da pecore.
Sì,
Pecora.
sì, e the signature, this plate is a Sicilian, like a kitchen.
Che bello.
Okay.
Da dove viene il garlic?
Garlic.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma
Now,
perché
can I see how you cut the garlic?
Sorry, yes. You want to see how?
Yeah.
So io.
Me too. I do that.
I think
That's
it's
exactly what
more
I do.
simple. I learned from the guys, chef, a friend of mine. Honestly, all they make like that.
I want to hear the funniest thing. People like usually chop it, but for years I've been crunching it. I just like.
No, but this is the right way to do. Like you are doing.
See this can of olive oil?
This is the real.
From Partenico. Okay, bye.
Fantastico.
First thing we're going to do is fry the zucchini, correct?
Sì.
But you want to get it hot.
The zucchini in the oil.
So it's not very, very hot, but giusto.
So, yeah, also the secret is not to...
Alright.
Okay, water and salt. Now, do you
salt.
put olive oil? Some people put olive oil.
It depends what kind of pasta you're cooking. I don't think it's necessary when you have a dry pasta.
Okay.
I don't think. When you put probably fresh pasta, I will a little bit. I think the secret is just to, when it's fresh, to just touch the pasta to the way it doesn't stick together.
I agree with him, but I put always a little bit olive oil so the pasta doesn't stick between them. It's more easy to work with the other
I
components.
don't think so because water and oil they don't blend, so you're not gonna have the oil.
This is the motivation why you put it, because and so they don't stick it. I agree with you.
No, they're not. Doesn't stick in the water.
No,
The pasta.
So you don't put
It doesn't blend. So that's.
The smell of this garlic is making me crazy.
That's super good.
Super good.
Sì. E questo è il garlic per la bruschetta. Andiamo a saltare.
Extra virgin Partenico soil.
Guys, ma l'importante è che no, the garlic is important at the end. For me, the garlic is a fundamental because at the end that you finish to fry the zucchini, my mom, his mom, they were throw all the zucchini in the pot with the garlic olive oil. So give this explosion of taste. The Sicilian, look here. I feel
Goosebumps.
Sì, mammina canal. Che pensa di me?
Hai visto? You know what? I make the pasta sauce.
She's a nerd. She's a nerd.
Oh
Smart.
my God. Jenny, we're talking about you.
Sì, ma la mia bimba, my wife, my treasure, my queen, my everything, my piccirita, okay? So I was cooking and she was amore mio. She was getting the camera, everything. Now when I cook with her close to me and for mistake I do something not really amore, you did amore, get out the kitchen please. So now she cooks.
The rules have
very
changed.
well. Yeah, she cooks absolutely well. The bread.
You know what drives me crazy? When people say bruschetta.
My
It's
God.
bruschetta!
Oh my God. Oh, you don't know, with Jenny, this is what you just saying. Let's say that,
Everything
let's say
you
that.
guys are doing is the
Okay.
way your mother
For sure, friend, chef, the all the respect, we are no chef. They come to say, what you do, you crazy, possible, yeah. I'm making something. They are remembered from my mom, and I love it.
But it's so simple and so delicious. That's what I love
this is
about
the-
Sicily.
If we make a mistake, please, somebody can say something and we learn.
Yeah,
we can fix it.
Yeah, we call the cucina povera, you know, it's the
Poor person's
poor-
kitchen.
poor
Sì.
kitchen.
Ma for-
Cutting.
Sì,
You
sì.
had restaurants in
Seattle.
Seattle. How many restaurants?
I opened 7, but in the last 3 years I had 3 restaurants.
And
Two.
you sold them all,
I sold it all.
and to come back here to
I
be
come
in
back to
Sicily
my-
to be with Rino.
Yes.
Oh
I-
my gosh!
I have like a 200 restaurant where I go eat all the time. I don't know it. But I repeatedly go to eat every day. They almost they cannot stand me anymore. But what do you want to do? I am Sicilian.
He's the chef, and
I-
you're the eater.
I am a date chef.
The
because
eat
he's
chef.
in the kitchen. There is the chef. The, come si chiama the other one?
Sous chef.
So chef.
Sous chef.
Eat chef.
You're the eat
I
chef.
eat chef. So
Now, if you follow him on social, you can see him all over Palermo, eating his way through the day. Every couple of hours, different food.
I need the love, and I have a love with my food. So let's eat.
Did you just say Sicilianismo? What?
Sicilianissima.
Everything issima.
It's an exaggeration. Then maybe the word doesn't exist, but we make
But
it.
we make stuff up.
Because
Why
we
not?
exaggerate everything. So Sicilianissima. Aspetta, fix it.
What pasta are we using for this?
Bucatini.
Bucatini with the hole in it.
Color inside, the big one, so good.
Okay. Okay, let's see. What do we have here?
Okay, we have pasta. Here.
Yes.
Okay, this is beautiful. This is a busiata.
Buziata
Trapanese.
Japanese. Bucatini number 6.
Number 6.
Okay. This dish, you have to have different pasta, right?
Oh, no,
Because
you-
some of them absorb the sauce better.
This one, bucatini absorbs a lot.
Yeah.
Bucatini absorbs a lot.
And,
So you usually, this dish is super simple, but as a super simple dish is always difficult. So you always have to save a lot of pasta water. It will absorb a lot of water.
Person. One of them was Jeff Bezos.
Jeff Bezos ate at one of his restaurants. Did you meet him in person?
Very much so, yeah. We have
Was he
some-
nice?
super nice?
There was his now ex-wife.
Super
What did
nice.
he eat?
So he came and I asked my mom, I want some seafood and I want a meat dish. And my mom took care of them. And he was so happy. My mom was a great chef. And they're like so happy. He actually kissed me in the cheeks.
Wow.
Si bruciano.
e
They're
si
burned.
bruciano,
They're
poi lo
burning.
dobbiamo ributtare e poi si bruciano.
Meanwhile, will you take a look at these plates that he has in the house? Oh my goodness.
You know the story, Esther. I came here as a guest.
To
I
this
stayed,
house.
3 days in this house. as
And
a
you
guest.
fell in love with it.
I fell in love. I felt so relaxed, so myself, so.
As soon as I walked in, I said, oh my God, the vibes
I
in
know, right?
this villa.
I agree, 100%. We were like so grateful to be alive and be here, and Years later, I'm here.
This is such a beautiful table too. The wood really is a rustic feel in here. How's it going? Where's my bruschetta? Where's my
Absolutely
bruschetta?
ready. In a little, we're working on it. So to be perfect.
You do like this, and you go like this.
Yeah, but we don't recommend people
No,
do
no,
that at
no.
home.
Yeah.
But you're a
No,
chef.
no.
Well, yeah, that's why I'm doing it.
This is
piece by
the
piece.
to me too.
Pochino di sale, We've got the tomatoes, garlic, salt, basilico,
aglio,
aglio.
garlic.
Yeah.
And you know, the big mistake I see everybody does is Italian love garlic, but there's a balance, not too much. It's about 2 small cloves of garlic on this bruschetta.
4 slices.
Yeah, I mean, that's not
And then
much.
basta.
Yeah, because it gives the enough flavor as a balance.
You let it soak it up a little bit for a few minutes, all the flavors.
Let's do.
Look at how precisely he's completely focused.
So already while I'm doing, I'm thinking when I'm gonna eat it. So it's gonna be perfect. Look at the love that we.
You know, sometimes people put a little bit of cheese, but I like it like this. No, we don't need it.
Mine ready.
All right.
I saw them. Can I?
You please.
Please.
Let's-
Aspetta, salute. Cin cin. Cin cin. Cin cin.
So fresh. So good.
For some people, cooking is stressful. For me, cooking is relaxing.
Me too.
It's just such a you and your beautiful veggie or meat
People,
or
your beautiful people.
Yeah, I call my people. That's
Yeah,
my
but in
people.
reality, like you say, you're right about you have to be calm in your mind. For example, when I'm nervous, I cannot make a glass of milk. I'm just totally kidding. My Jamie say, amore, don't try to cook today because
You're too stressed.
sì.
I am the oldest of 5.
5 boys?
5 is 3 boys and 2 girls.
And your mom was alone, so you
My
had to help
mom
her.
was the one that I had to help her. She had, she sometimes coming from work and she needed help. And I was the one that chewed the zucchini or
Salt and poi then we put on the side. So he get all the taste, the garlic taste.
Let me see how you do
Whenever
that.
you don't eat it, we are going to eat it.
Wow, it's a
we are
flower.
going to
Beautiful.
soften.
You know what else drives me crazy? When people break the pasta.
Every day they're gonna be killed in Sicily, we kill them.
We're gonna deportable offense. It's a deportable offense.
Own country, we bring back to the country.
Vai.
Dai!
Che buono. And you're gonna add a little bit of this pasta water.
Sure.
100%.
So now you didn't use the scola pasta,
Non
the
esiste.
drain.
Non
I don't.
esiste.
No,
Don't need it.
don't need it.
Don't need it.
We use it. This one is gold. The chef call a gold. This water.
So,
Not me because I'm not chef, but I. We have a bruschetta. This is your wife.
so this is the saint water.
Saint water. Santo acqua. Santo
acqua.
acqua. Santa acqua. Oh,
Look at these
wow.
are
You know what the first thing my mom's gonna see when she watches this video? Why is your hair down? Look at those guys. They're going.
get a creamer.
Yeah, the starch water adds a little creaminess. People don't know that they'll have like aglio olio and they say, oh, what cream was used in it? No oil, no cream. It was just the saint water.
Yeah. See, it's plates.
The plates.
The plates.
The plates. The plates.
Attenzione, this is gonna disappear.
Kind of big plate. Okay?
Gonna disappear if you don't eat it.
Wow.
Aspetta, dov'è?
We're gonna eat a lot because I'm hungry.
Good for you. Well, you worked hard.
Violinista che suona ri ora.
Ok, vediamo.
Con la questa è mia.
Vai.
Vedi?
So Reno over here, isn't he a beautiful looking boy? He used to be a model in Milan, and when he went there alone, he didn't cook, but you remembered how your mom cooked,
Yes,
and that's why you didn't starve.
And so I was alone. I haven't not too much money to go eat at the restaurant, so I got to figure out. I went to the kitchen.
Remembered everything.
Yeah, then I have a son girl. The time he was with me, she liked a lot. So I said, this is working with the girl too. So I improved. Now I'm married e ciao. Perché è importante. Dunque, domanda.
Look at all this.
Domanda, question.
Question.
Okay. With this plate, this is something your mom, my mom will be happy
100%.
to have it. Aspect, we have to test it first.
Okay.
Sì. Sì.
This is so
Yes.
Simple but beautiful.
Oh my gosh.
All right.
This is so good. Esther, I swear to God, you have to try it.
Buonissimo.
It's amazing.
Inspiration.
This is so good. Look at this big bite.
You know, one of my favorite things when our guests are doing exactly what you're doing. They're going, ooh, ah, because really, food here is a language of love. Food here is part of the experience.
This is amazing.
Like we said before, maybe we make some mistake. Please subscribe, say it to us because we're going to learn. But this is a plate that my mom was making for me. And
No, there's no
I
no
am
mistake.
crying in this moment. This is something touching my heart. I'm joking, but really, wow.
Reno, I love. I have to tell you that much. Jennifer, I love, his wife. That's when I met them last year in Taormina for the New Year's Eve Taormina celebration. We had a ball together. At Esther's birthday party just a couple of weeks ago, he and Kareem came down, and for 2 days all we did was talk and get to really know each other. Good people, despite the fact I really think that he has a wooden leg. Did you know that? Because the guy eats so much. Anyways, I'm very jealous. We love those guys, and that's really all I want to say about it.
What are you thinking right now?
My mom. So life is stupid.
No, it's beautiful. I'm crying myself. I have tears in my eyes as well.
He said, remind me of my mom. And I miss her too much. Thank you, this plate. Stop.
Amazing.
For real.
Grazie mille. You guys
Oh,
were
grazie a
great.
te. Thank you. Thank
I
you.
really enjoyed this, and now we got to think about what we're going to make next time. But it's truly a pleasure being with two amazing beddi, tutti due beddi.
Ma tu bellissima tu, come on.
You guys did great.
Thank you.
Good job.
Bella esperienza, nice.
A couple of things I want to highlight about this experience. Number one, both these guys were born in Palermo and they went to the United States, established themselves. Karin had restaurants, Reno a realtor, but they just felt the Sicily calling them back, and they finally decided to come back to Sicily and establish themselves here. The second thing is about the simplicity of the ingredients that we use, the way nonna, the way their mother, their grandparents cooked. Simple ingredients that were used by poor people, but now in today's world is still so good and so important to these guys. So really going back to the basics. How many rooms are in this place?
Upstairs is 3, big living room, laundry room, kind of like a guest room,
Outdoor kitchen.
outdoor kitchen.
Look at this room. That is just gorgeous. Wow, look at this rooftop.
Oh, there's a rooftop that you
Oh,
go from here.
Oh, another rooftop. Beautiful. Look at this. This is your view in the morning. Can you imagine that? This is the bathroom. Here's a double. This is the living dining room. That is beautiful.
Extending our celebration discount for first-time travelers to Lipari and Giardini Naxos beginning of September. Run, don't walk, to www.youmeandsicily.com and send an email to Esther, first-time takers, $250 off the price. Hello, come and see us. Ciao.
I have to say, this was quite an experience for me. My very first video for You, Me, and Sicily 12 years ago was in a kitchen with Mama Sicily, and here we are, all these videos later, and I'm still in the kitchen, and today with these two great guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed filming it for you and being here with these two guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on another video of You, Me, and Sicily. Ciao!